Right now, without even thinking about it, you're breathing in and out. But do you actually know why? You breathe because every single cell in your body needs a constant supply of oxygen to survive. Cells use that oxygen to release energy from glucose in a process called respiration. Without energy from respiration, your cells can't function, and without breathing, they can't get oxygen. So breathing is really just how we get oxygen in and get rid of waste carbon dioxide. This whole process is called gas exchange, and it happens deep inside your lungs. When you inhale, air travels down your trachea, which splits into two tubes called bronchi. The bronchi branch again and again into smaller tubes called bronchioles, like a tree's branches. At the very end of each bronchiole are tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where the real magic happens. Gas exchange takes place in the alveoli. Each alveolus is wrapped in tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Oxygen moves from the air in the alveolus into the blood in the capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveolus to be breathed out. This movement of gases is called diffusion, particles moving from where there's more of them to less. Alveoli are perfectly built for fast diffusion, and that's no accident. They have incredibly thin walls, just one cell thick, so gases can cross quickly. There are millions of alveoli in your lungs, giving a huge surface area for gas exchange. In fact, if you flattened out all your alveoli, they'd cover about half a tennis court. Alveoli are also moist and have a good blood supply, which helps gases dissolve and move faster. Once oxygen is in your blood, red blood cells carry it away from the lungs. Your heart pumps this oxygen-rich blood to every cell in your body. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide collected from your cells travels back to the lungs to be exhaled. This constant cycle of breathing in and out keeps the gas exchange system working non-stop. When you exercise, your cells respire faster, needing more oxygen and producing more carbon dioxide. That's why you breathe faster and deeper during exercise. Your body needs more gas exchange, fast. So every breath you take is your body keeping its cells alive, one tiny exchange at a time. Next time, what actually happens to the air you breathe out and why carbon dioxide matters so much.